Brooke, and this is
Carter.
And today we're going to be teaching you how to draw a dragon. Are you excited?
Yes.
Do you know what dragon we're drawing?
The dragon from your book.
The dragon from my book, The Super Science Squad, and it's the first book called The Dragon's Toothache. Are you excited?
Yes.
Is that one of your favorite books?
Yeah.
Yeah, bomb diggity. Okay, so we're going to do it kind of right towards the center, and we're just going to draw an oval.
Got it. So right here?
Yeah. Good. Then just over to the side of it, we're going to draw a line. Then we're going to draw an almost oval. Good. Now from under this one, we're going to start right here on this side of the eye, and we're going to go out and down, almost like an L. All right, good job. Now we're going to take this line and we're going to bring it back up right over to this far eye over here.
How's that?
Perfect. All right, so follow me on this line. We're going to start where we left off. We're going to start right here, and we're just going to bring this line down and swing it over.
Okay.
Good job. All right, now look, we're going to add a little curve. Not too big, keep it nice and small. All right, next we're going to bring a line right up over here, and it's going to be a pretty big one.
Like this?
Very cool. All right, now we're going to come back over by these eyes, and up on top of this first eye that we drew, we're going to draw almost like a little mountain up on top of the eye up above it.
Okay.
Okay, we're going to draw another mountain over here on the other eye.
How's that?
Oh yeah, you're a pro. You've got this, Carter. All right, we're going to start over here by that first mountain, and we're going to draw this line over that doesn't quite touch.
All right.
All right, we're going to draw this nice arch around, and we don't want it to go down too low. Just stop right about there. All right, we're looking pretty good. Good job, bud. So on his neck, we're going to go ahead and start here, and we're just going to bring this line down. Don't quite go to the edge of the paper. We want to leave some space. That looks good. And we're going to start drawing some wings. So we've got a big line coming. All right, we're going to start here, and we're just going to arch this line up over here, up towards this upper corner of the paper. You got it.
Cool.
Next, we're going to swing this line in a little bit and then bring it back out to the edge of the paper.
How about that?
Perfect. Now we're going to do that same thing again and bring it in even a little further. Nice. And now we're just going to do it one more time, and we're going to bring it back to the neck, but we don't want it to quite touch the other line that we started the wing with. Oh, good. That looks good. All right, let's go ahead and draw the other line. That's why we left some space over here. So we're going to start down here, and we're just going to bring this line up, and you can bring that right to the edge of the paper. Now we're going to draw the bottom of the neck. So let's go ahead, and we're going to start right here on this part of his chin, and we're just going to bring that line down. It should end up pretty much right under that first line of the wing. Right about there, Carter?
Okay.
Oh, hold your paper. Looking good. Okay. Now we're going to take a line. We're going to start a little above that line, and we're just going to bring our line down, and it can have a little curve to it. It doesn't need to be too straight.
Got it.
That's going to be for one of his arms. But we need the other side of the arm. So let's go ahead and draw another line that just swings down like this. Oh, make yours a little longer. I like it.
How's that?
Good job. Now we're going to come back over to the front of the arm and we're just going to draw this little curve, bringing that line back.
Cool curve.
And then we're going to add another little line. It should end up kind of even with the other one. Good. Now let's just connect those.
Alright.
Dragons have claws, so we're going to draw 3 little upside down mountains on his hand right here, and those are going to be our claws.
Got it.
Perfect. All right, let's go ahead and draw the other arm. So we're going to start up here, and we're just going to bring this line down. It's going to be the same as the other line, just a little shorter. Yep, you got it. Now we're going to draw our belly and just bring this line from the middle of this arm, and we're going to just curve it back. Oh, mine's got a nice big old belly.
So does mine, I think.
All right, let's go ahead and go back up to this wing. We're going to add a little follow line that doesn't quite touch this other line, and we're just going to kind of follow this outside part of the wing, and so we'll start at the top. We're going to curve down and just don't quite touch it, but just follow along, mimicking that line.
Outlines of the dragon's wing.
Oh yeah, you're good at that. Nice, that's impressive. All right, our dragon has a few spots on it. I'm going to do 3 spots. 2, 3.
A big dot, a little dot, and a medium dot.
Looking good. Now his nose looks a little empty, so we need to add his nostril right here. So we're going to put a mountain right here in his nose. Don't make it too big.
How's that?
Good. And then we're just going to draw a little circle inside of it. That looks good. He's coming together. Let's go ahead and fill in his eyes. So let's just put the little black dots. I'm going to put mine a little towards the middle because he's focused. So they're a little bit in and focused. Now let's come down. We're going to work on this mouth down here. Right now it only has one side. So we're going to give it an extra line that's going to go right back here that just kind of finishes off the inside of his mouth. But dragons have teeth, so we need some teeth. So let's go ahead and put one out here that's way out towards the front. Perfect. And then we're going to draw another one right back here, right by where our mouth is. Looking good, okay. All right, we're going to draw one that's kind of on the far side. So we're going to start towards the bottom of the mouth and bring it up to that line right there. Good. Then we're going to draw another one right here on this side. Up on top of this dragon's head, we're going to go ahead and give him a bit of a horn. So we're going to curve it up. And then you want to curve this line a little bit too. Looks like he's got a point on his head, a little bit of a cone. Now we're going to come onto his neck, and we're just going to put some spikes going down his back. So we're just going to draw a bunch of upside down V's or sharp mountains that are just going to go from his neck all the way down to that other wing that we started. All right, that looks really good. Okay, let's go ahead and, what do dragons breathe?
Dragons breathe out fire.
Dragons breathe fire, yeah. So let's go ahead and we're going to start here by his mouth, and we're just going to make this line start at the mouth, and we want it to curve down. So don't make it a straight line. Give it a nice curve down. Next, we're going to come in and just draw a little line that goes the opposite way. It just goes in a little bit with that line. Then we're going to take another one and arch it down. And again, we're going to put a little line in. We're going to make one more one that comes in. This one can cut a little sharper and a little more over. Good. Now let's come back up to the top, and we're going to do the same on the other side, but going the other way. So curve it out.
Now a curve.
A little line in.
And another baby line.
And curve it out. You've got this. Oh yeah, even easier the second time. Good. Bring it in. And then from there, we're gonna actually curve this one out and back in, and that's gonna be our last one right there. Finishing off our fire. Looks good. All right, once again, we're gonna do a follow line, so don't touch it, just stay right inside the other line and just follow those same lines that we just made. Again, you don't need to touch it, just follow it around. Oh, my pin's having a little trouble. That's okay. Make it work, follow it back up. And this time when you bring them together, go ahead and let them touch right up at the top. Nice. All right, how's our dragon look?
Yeah.
I think it looks pretty good. All right, that's a good looking dragon. Now I think it's time to color. So we're gonna go ahead and speed this part up. All right, grab your pens and let's go. You had fun?
Yeah.
Our dragon's awesome.
Yes.
On the count of 3, we're gonna lift up our drawings.
3,
2.
1, 0.
Those look awesome. You did such a good job. I'm so proud of you.
Yeah.
I love your dragon. High five. That was awesome. Thanks for being an awesome artist. Thanks for joining us for How to Draw a Dragon. Say bye.
Bye.
Bye.